Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be some tips on how to make using your planner easy. So this is piggybacking off of my other video on how to actually use your planner, and I just wanted to get into some additional tips on things that you can do to your actual planner to make using it very easy and convenient for you. So the very first thing that I did was add a place for daily notes. This is my Happy Planner. It's a Franken-planned planner, and my cover is a tool notebook cover. You guys always ask me about it. I will link it in the description box below. And in the inside, as you can see, there are pockets. And I love the fact that the cover has pockets because I can easily stick things in here that I need, and it makes my planner very functional. I have added, though, a notebook. This is a small notebook that I purchased from Michael's. I got it from like the dollar section. And as you can see, it's blank in the inside and you can add notes. I love having this here because instead of using my bullet journal, which I used to carry this around with my planner, the only thing is that if I was in another room, sometimes I would not have access to my bullet journal. I had to go and find it. I had to go pull it from another room. But having this here makes it much easier for me to be able to write down daily notes and have everything in one book. Now, this is for anybody out there that actually likes to write down stuff throughout the course of their day. I am huge on writing. I do not like to rely on my memory. So I like to take notes throughout the course of my day, whether I'm in meetings, whether I need to make sure that I add something to my planner later on. And I just need a place to kind of jot it down so that I don't forget. That's what this serves as, and keeping it right here in the pocket makes it very easy and very functional for me to actually use it. The next thing that I have added to my planner is a tool pouch. So I am always having like functional stickers, and I used to keep them in my pocket here, but they would always fall out and I could only have so many because the pocket can only hold so much. So adding this tool pouch that I could clip into my planner makes it very easy and very functional for me to have access to all of the stickers that I need. Once you open it up, I just have some functional stickers in the inside, and these are just some stickers that I have from my shop and a couple of stickers from other shops, and having them quickly in here just makes it very easy and keeps my planner pretty functional and very organized looking. So I have all of functional stickers in here, and it's just basically clipped in, so I can take it out and clip it back in whenever I need it. My next tip is to have everything that you need in one book. So that goes back to my original point of not using my bullet journal for daily notes and using this type of notebook instead, is because now I have my planner stickers, I have my pen, which is usually attached to my actual notebook. I have all of my planners, everything that I need in this one book. So as you guys know, I am a multiple planner type of girl. So having all of my planners, all of my stickers, any notebooks, any notes that I need in this one book has made planning so much easier because everything that I need is at my fingertips. So even if you aren't a multiple planner girl, you can have one planner that you use for everything. Or if you are a multiple planner type of person, I would suggest finding some type of system to where you can keep it all in one book. It is so great to have everything that I need right in this one section or one book all together. The next thing that I do that makes using my planner very easy is using top tabs. So I have top tabs, and I have talked about them quite some time in my planner, but having them at the top here and being able to easily flip to any section has been really a game changer when it comes down to the ease of my actual planner. I am able to easily flip to from the top any section of my planner, and it's so easy to flip to it, see what I need, and be able to jot down things right away instead of having to flip through to each individual page. So I love having top tabs. I purchased these from Amazon. I think the last time I checked they were out of stock, but I will check again. If I can find them, then I will link them and you can see them in a description box below. Happy Planner does sell them, and there are a bunch of different types. I do like the clear kind to where you can still kind of see through them. They have designs on them, but you can still kind of see through them, and they make it so much easier to be able to flip through to everything that you need in your planner. My next tip is to keep your actual planner covers. So this is another tip for all of you Franken-planned Happy Planner girls, is to use your planner as a true Franken planner and keep your covers. So as you can see, I have my cover for my catch-all planner. This is my cover for my social media planner. Then I can easily flip to my home planner and then my budget planner, and all of them have the covers in there. I don't have the back covers, I only have the front covers, just so that the planner doesn't get too bulky. But having the covers in here makes it so much easier from the side to be able to flip to any section that I need. So this makes it easy for me to like flip through it this way, because I can easily go to the planner that I need, and then the top tabs makes it easy for me to go the top way, and they poke out. So as you can see, each one of them is poking out when the planner is closed. So that also once again makes it super simple for you to flip through to each section. My next tip is to keep 3 months at a time in your planner. So one thing that I really like to do is to keep the past month, which is for us, it will be the month of July right now because July is almost over, the current month of August, and the next month. What this does for me is to be able to flip back and see anything that has happened in the previous month to make sure that if I did something, if I want to refer back to when was the last time I did something, I am able to see my previous month and be able to check in and make sure that I have done certain things, or see the last time that I have planned something and be able to fully look at the previous month. I also have access to my current month, so that I am able to easily jot down anything that's coming up and the next month, so that I can do future planning and look at future dates. This is a great way for me to stay on top of any planning that I need to do and be able to reflect back on what I've already done. My next tip is to make sure that you are looking at planning as a form of self-care. I like to refer to me using my planner as a form of me time, as a form of self-care. Then that way I am ensuring that I am connecting this with a form of taking care of myself, instead of looking at my planner as a chore or just something that I have to do. It's another thing that I do with budgeting. I look at budgeting as a form of self-care. I look at it as taking care of myself, taking time out to make sure that my family is covered. And when I do this, this is a form of me taking care of myself, because not planning makes me very stressful. It makes me overwhelmed. I can get very anxious. But when I plan out my day, when I plan out my month, when I am able to take this time out to jot down the different things that I need to do and actually take time to execute those things, it is a form of taking care of myself, because I am more at peace. I am releasing any stress out, and now I know I am ready to take on anything. So looking at using your planner as a form of self-care will also make it very easy to do. Well guys, I hope that these tips have helped you. These are definitely things that I do that makes using my planner super easy. If you want to see some other videos on what you can do, you can watch how to actually use your planner and what to write in your planner. And I will see you in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.